The categories of prisoners who are here are those who have committed very serious offenses. These offenses, among others, include acts of rape, acts of murder, acts of aggravated robberies, aggravated defilement, treason, terrorism, and other cases that follow that category.
We have no idea what any of these prisoners have done, and so we're just interviewing them blind, pretty much. We don't have their indictments or any of the trial records or anything. Hopefully we'll get that tonight.
Seems like they at least have informed the prisoners that someone would be coming to talk with them. And we just got broken up into our teams, waiting to still find out who our Ugandan advocate will be. Yeah, just between us, it's basically 2 gates right now, and the prison itself, where all the prisoners are. So there's really going to be no separation. It's just jumping in there and trying to see if we can help these prisoners.
American law students and American lawyers are paired with a Ugandan lawyer and a Ugandan law student before meeting the prisoners. Interviewing over 100 prisoners for the first time, they hope to move the cases forward toward resolution through a court trial or an agreement reached outside of court called a plea bargain. The law students explain to the prisoners that the team has come to give them a voice and provide them with an opportunity in smaller groups to finally tell their story to someone who will help them.
Was it his own knife that he used?
It's kind of a complicated case because he's being charged with murder of his 2-month-old daughter.
There's a murder of a wife, but it seems that there was a heat of passion involved.
This is aggravated defilement. The victim was his daughter, 16 years old.
He knows he did it, but he is saying that a witch doctor cast a spell on him, so he's unconscious the whole time, so he's not remembering, and the only thing he remembers is waking up and then seeing the evidence of the murder.
That's what he said. We have a question. Could we ask him more about the clan conflict and
so he reached into a toolbox and grabbed for something to defend himself, and he got a screwdriver and hit the guy in the neck.
According to the accused here, he actually did not mean to even hit the wife. He was trying to stab the man in the hand.
A lot of these things you're hearing about one of the worst days of somebody's life, and they're taking you through it from when they got up to when they went to bed, and it's some of it's tough.